The JX1 from EP Equipment is a revolutionary order picker with a lift height of up to 4,880mm. While standard equipment is either too weak or too expensive, the JX1 fills this gap in the market and offers the perfect symbiosis between work assist vehicles and expensive VNA trucks. The JX1 plays out its strength when it comes to professional order picking application in warehouses with a picking height of up to 6.5 meters, while being able to carry up to 500 kilograms. The large driver platform is designed to ensure optimal ergonomics and productivity for the driver while operating the truck and picking goods. The JX1 can be used in all sorts of picking application, and due to its compact size, high productivity and low total cost of operation, the truck is the preferred choice for spare parts center, e-commerce warehousing, and everyone picking small goods. Another advantage of the JX1 is the simple operation. The truck has a mini steering wheel, while user-friendly push buttons operate lifting and lowering. The operator can see the driving direction at any time on the digital display in front of him. Driving speed is controlled by a proportional drive control. The operator can leave the truck to both the left and right side to increase productivity when picking goods on ground level. The JX1 is designed for the tough working atmosphere of the order picking warehouse. Due to its robust mass design, the truck is extremely stable and increases efficiency also at large heights. The truck can be equipped with maintenance-free gel batteries and an integrated charger or strong lead-acid batteries. Due to the roller bed, the battery exchange is easy and allows 3-shift application with spare batteries at hand. In a nutshell, the JX1 is unique in the way it can improve the daily operation in order picking. It is compact, enables picking at up to 6.5 meters, while providing high stability and comfort for the driver. Check out this unique machine at your nearest EP Equipment dealer, or get an on-site demonstration.